Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Lightroom Classic CC allows you to customize the way that panels are displayed on screen. By managing panels, you can maximize the display area of your photos while keeping the features you need available. Although Lightroom's various panels contain different features and controls, all panels are managed in the same way. To open or close any panel in Lightroom Classic CC, simply click the panel header. To open or close all of the panels in a panel group, hold down the Control button on your keyboard while clicking the panel name. You can also use Solo Mode to open or close one panel at a time. Solo Mode applies independently to each set of panels. In other words, you can set one panel to operate in solo mode while all of the other panels operate normally. To set solo mode for a panel, right-click the panel header and select Solo Mode from the menu that appears. Alternatively, you can select solo mode by holding the Alt button down on your keyboard while clicking on a panel header. Notice that the triangle on the left side of the panel header is solid when the panel is not in solo mode. When in solo mode, the triangle appears dotted. You can easily scroll through a group of panels in Lightroom Classic CC. To scroll through a group of panels, either click and drag the scroll bar at the side of the panel group, or scroll using your mouse wheel. You can toggle the display of an entire panel group to either show or hide the panel group. To do this, click the triangular Show Hide Panel Group icon. The Show Hide Panel Group icon appears on the edges of all four sides of the screen. Notice that the icons appear as solid triangles when the panel group is showing, and dotted triangles when the panel group is hidden. You can also show or hide the panels on the right and left sides of the screen. This can be helpful when you want to increase the amount of screen space used to display a photo. To hide both side panels, select Window, Panels, Toggle Side Panels from the menu bar. Alternatively, you can show or hide these side panels by pressing the Tab key on your keyboard. You can even hide all of Lightroom Classic CC's panels when you want to devote maximum screen space to photo display. Hiding all of the panels removes the side panels, the film strip across the bottom of the screen, as well as the module picker at the top of the screen. To hide all panels, select Window, Panels, Toggle All Panels from the menu bar. Alternatively, you can show or hide all panels by holding down the Shift key on your keyboard while pressing the Tab key. Lightroom Classic CC allows you to determine the default display of panel groups. To select a setting for automatically showing or hiding panels, right-click on the narrow outside edge of a panel group between the scroll bar and the Show Hide Panel Group icon. Next, select one of the four options displayed. If you choose Auto Hide and Show, then the panel will be displayed as you move the pointer to the outside edge of the application window and hidden again as you move the pointer away from the panel. Note that you may have to manually collapse each panel using the Show Hide Panel Group icon after selecting Auto Hide and Show before the feature will function. If you choose Auto Hide, the panel will be hidden as you move the pointer away from the panel. Note that if you select this option, you will have to open the panel manually each time you want to access it. If you select Manual, Lightroom Classic CC turns off all automatic show hide behavior. If you select this setting, you'll have to show and hide panels by clicking the panel headers and the Show Hide Panel Group icons. If you select the Sync with Opposite Panel command, Lightroom Classic CC will apply the same hide and show behavior to the left and right panels or to the top and bottom panels. You can resize most of the panels in Lightroom Classic CC, although the top panel containing the module picker cannot be resized. To resize the width of a panel group on the left or right side of the screen, move your mouse pointer over the inside edge of the panel closest to the photo display area. When the pointer changes into a double pointed arrow, click and drag to make the panel wider or more narrow. When you have the panel size the way you like it, release the mouse button. You can expand the film strip panel along the bottom of the screen in the same way to increase or decrease the film strip height. If you don't use a panel very often, you can hide it from view to streamline your workspace. To remove a panel from view, right-click any panel header within the panel group, and then uncheck the name of the panel you want to hide from the pop-up menu that appears. To restore a panel that has been hidden from view, simply right-click any panel header in the group, and then recheck the panel name. You'll notice that the pop-up menu also includes options to expand all and collapse all panels. You can use these commands to quickly show or hide all panel information with one click.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.